Hello everyone. Today, let's take a look at how to use the Sheets AI Assistant to automatically generate e-commerce SEO keywords and long-tail keywords in just 1 minute. Here we have a typical e-commerce product list in Google Sheets, with columns for product name and product type. Now, let's open the Sheets AI Assistant right from the Extensions menu. First, we configure our source data. That's our product name and type columns. Then, we set our target, where we want the generated keywords to go. It could be a new column in the same sheet or even a different sheet. Next, the core part, choosing the AI prompt. We can select a pre-built template specifically designed for generating SEO keywords based on product info or write our own. We'll also select our preferred AI model, like ChatGPT or Gemini. The AI will now analyze the product details. Ready? Let's hit Start Processing. The assistant gets to work instantly. And just like that, let's check our target sheet. Boom! A whole list of relevant SEO keywords and useful long-tail variations, perfectly tailored to each product. Look how easy that was. From product names to optimized keywords in under a minute. That's how you can instantly turn your product list into powerful SEO keywords using AI, right inside Google Sheets. Grab the tool link in the description and start boosting your listings today.